here's the video that we did yesterday together. We created that about 24 hours ago. And as you can see, it's got 193 views. Whoopie-doo. Again, it's not a massive amount of views, but this is a brand new channel. And if we go into the views and sort by views, you'll see that even the top video has only got 287 views. And that one was done, when was that done? Let's have a look. That would have been a while ago. Very scientific. Where can I tell? Can't remember. I'd normally look in my so what we can tell in the analytics. I'd normally look in my spreadsheet, to be honest, rather than do it from here. But it was a while ago. In fact, let's do it. Let's be precise. All about the data. Let's be precise. Let's have a look. When did this actually get launched? Analytics got launched. Let's have a look. Oh, come on, so slow. So this was launched on the 27th of December. Launched. It was released on the 27th of December, and it's got, what we say, 287 views. Not bad. But given that this one that we did yesterday has been up there for 24 hours or so, and it's done what, 2/3 of that now, then I'm pretty pleased with the performance. So let's go in and see what's happened to it and what's likely to happen to it, whether or not it's good news or bad news. But before I do that, I just want to I want to demonstrate a point. Over the last few days, I've done several videos on Valentine's Day and about Valentine's Day, and you know they're okay. Still early days for all of them, to be honest. But the views are nowhere near as good as this one. So what's special about this one? Well, let's go in and have a look at the analytics, because this is what will tell us all we need to know. Always does. The reason that this one has done better than some of the other ones recently. I mean, it's saying that it's done 194 views, and that's 187 views more than we would normally do during that period. So first thing I would want to do is obviously be pleased, but then go in and see why. If we're going to reach, the information is so new, it won't all be up to date yet because it takes a few days for the analytics to click through. But we can say straight away that it's hit the short shelf because 86% of the views have come from shorts. So it's a shorts video and it's hit the short shelf, which is great. All the other percentages are very low. So it's not yet been picked up by search. The majority of the traffic is coming from the short shelf. And if we go in and look at the actual more data, every analytics has a thing that you can click on. We go to more and we look at traffic source. We can see that this blue line here is shorts. So the majority of the traffic has come from shorts. Now shorts is now tailing off a little bit. Well, it's tailed off completely. So it may be that we've had our time in the sun for a little while, and we could come out of the short shelf. But because we've put the video together in a well-optimized way, and we've got a nice thumbnail, I'm expecting that over time, things like the direct and unknown component of the traffic will go up. We should also see some search traffic. At the moment, we've only got a couple of views from search. So if I go in and click on some of these, I should be able to, let me do it because of Zoom messing with my screen. But anyway, you can see that the majority of the traffic, let me click, let me do it, has come from shorts. Eventually, I would want to see the traffic starting to come from search, and I'd want to see it get recommended. Close that down for a moment. If we look at some of the videos that haven't done quite as well, it is really going slow. Let's go back and have a look at the ones that have not done as well. Let's say, for instance, let's pick one at random. Yeah, this one. No, that's not bad. Something about sending your ex a Valentine's card. I can't even remember what I put in this one. If we go to the analytics, let's see what happened. This one's actually done less well than average. I'm guessing it's something to do with it not hitting the short shelf. Yeah, so this one you see hasn't done as well, and as yet it doesn't appear that it's been selected to go on the short shelf. There's an element of luck, element of randomness here. Doesn't mean it can't go on the short shelf, and it probably means that it will go on the short shelf at some stage. Given though that Valentine's Day is tomorrow, my guess is these will continue to grow slowly over time, and maybe next Valentine's Day, because they've been up there for a while and they've got some heritage, may get their time in the sun next Valentine's Day. So it's the same with things like Christmas, bonfire night, anything Halloween, anything where there is like a temporal dependency or a calendar date, you will expect to get transient peaks and then for the video traffic to go down, but expect them to resurface next time. So you really are building an asset base as opposed to just building one-hit wonders. At least if you do it properly, you are.